What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm gonna keep this video pretty short. I'm heading back into the shop. I have somebody else coming to look at another computer. So I just had my first customer. I did a little video about that. I'm gonna apologize in advance. The video quality on the camera that I put in there was atrocious. I actually reached out to a couple other YouTubers and tried to find a solution because I need something I can set up and record like customer interactions, as long as customers are okay with it. And I made sure to ask him, and he was like, yeah, that's fine. He thought it was awesome. But I actually was talking to him, and they're like, man, like a decent little webcam, and you can run like a USB extension wire over to it and mount it on the wall, get a little mount for it, and you can really kind of get away with that and just record it straight to your computer. And I was like, oh, well, I have like an old Logitech like C920. These are pretty decent 1080p cameras, as long as you have good lighting. I got good lighting in there. So I'm gonna get that mounted up today, hopefully. Probably do that off video or whatever, maybe do some testing with it, because I'm meeting this guy in like the next 15 minutes. But yeah, so look out for that video coming later today. That's like, you know, my first customer kind of thing. It was really cool. They were cool. It was two local senior high schoolers, and they were stoked about the whole thing. But I wanted to say big thank you, big shout out. We are not officially open yet. I have not posted any like official hours. I'm still just doing this by basically appointment only until I get everything set up and settled in the way I want it to. I have like one more contract I have to finish out for the beginning of November for my construction company, and then after that I really
at the next stop sign, turn right.
Sorry about that. I really don't have anything until the beginning of next year, like February, March. So I'll just be able to focus on the shop more. But yeah, big shout out and huge thank you to the guys that are buying the launch day shirts. Hold on. Oh my, excuse me.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Nightdale Boulevard.
Oh, goodness. Ooh. So, yeah, by the way, I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking at the road. I'm just holding the camera up over here to the side. But yeah, so huge shout out and thank you to the guys buying the launch day shirts. I've had a few people, you know, give me some flack. They're like, why are they so expensive? And I explained that from the beginning. These are shirts to have a way.
1.3 miles, turn right into the parking lot.
There, to help support me, and then also give you guys something back in exchange. And I did talk to one of the backers, or the supporters, and he was like, you know, hey, it might be a good idea, but obviously you don't have to, but maybe making like a little plaque on the wall, you know, like launch day supporters. And I was like, dude, that'd be awesome, because after
in 1 mile, turn right into the parking lot.
Oh my goodness, my GPS is going crazy. But yeah, after we open, like officially open, we have our I'm gonna have like a little grand opening event, and I'd love for people to come by. I know it's not possible for everybody, but yeah, I'd love to do a launch day plaque. And then he's like, maybe we should put or you could put all of our names of the launch day supporters on like the back of the shirt down at the bottom. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. I know I definitely want to do a plaque and hang it on the wall because you guys are awesome. And I understand not everybody can buy one. So even just the kind comments down below, much appreciated, ladies and gentlemen. I did take down the Brandon Coin shirts that were like right below my video. It was the third party through like Teespring, and I was having issues getting paid out from them. I lowered my price down to try to make it more reasonable, and then they raised the threshold for
turn right
making
into
a
the
deposit.
parking lot, then arrive at your destination.
So I'm gonna end up just doing that through my web store, and then that way I can just control the price and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so if you do want to get a launch day, a BC, PC, or Brandon Coin Computers t-shirt, the link is down below in the description. It'll say like launch day shirts, and you just click the link up underneath that.
Arrived,
we're here. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Hey, you guys have been awesome. And you know what, like I've gotten a lot of criticism, but I feel like most of it has been all actually very, very helpful. Looking at my like to dislike ratio, I'm feeling good about it. I'm really happy with how things are going. It's nice whenever you get back into a project or a hobby. I'm gonna call this kind of like, this is a little bit borderline or over a hobby, but obviously I'm not full-time doing this. But doing something that you really enjoy, because for the longest time I've been in construction, and I like getting on equipment and I like running equipment and that kind of thing. But computers have always been, like a passion project. So being able to even just sustain and get to meet and talk to people, and it's been enjoyable. It really has. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna hop off here. Yeah, so much love, much appreciation. Let me know what you guys think. So I'm thinking like a small plaque with everybody's name, launch day supporters, and then I can carry that with me from shop to shop everywhere. And I'd love for people to like see that and be like, what's that? And I'm like, man, when I got started, I did a shirt that kind of helped me get boosted up and get a little bit of money up. And those are the guys that, without a shadow of a doubt, just were already there and already locked in. I do know that I turned off international orders. So if you are an international order, just reach out to my email. The email is also down below in the description. So that way I can make sure and get you an order and get you a shipping quote, because I know shipping can vary wildly depending on where in the world you are. But anyway, thank you guys. Peace out. I'll see you on the next one.